As you can see, I'm getting another free dice rolls and money, and it's going up and up. Nothing complicated, as I told you, just some easy steps that you need to follow, and you're going to be able to get these free dice rolls and money. Okay, guys, so this is the app Monopoly Go. I'm going to open it, and as you can see here, that's my username shop. Okay, I'm gonna click on it, and here I can get free money and dice rolls. As you can see, it's going up and up, and that's what I'm gonna show you in this video. I'm gonna show you how you can get these free dice rolls and money. Okay, it's not something difficult at all. It's so easy. Oh my god, it's 18,000 dice rolls. I'm gonna go now to settings first so we can make some changes. Then I'm gonna show you how you can get these free dice rolls. Okay, let's go to general, then background app refresh, then background app refresh, and make sure that it is on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Okay, let's go back now to settings, and let's go to battery. Okay, that's it. Let's make sure that the low power mode is off, not on. All right, and let's go back now to settings, and let's go to App Store, and let's make sure that automatic downloads are on, not off, but on. Okay, after making these changes, let's go to any browser you want. For me, I will go to Safari. Okay, and let's go to this website, unlimitedrolls.com. okay, so this is the website that we're gonna go to. Okay, so here I have money, as you can see. I'm gonna choose 25 million. These are rolls. I'm gonna choose 3,200, and here I can enter my username so they can know my account. I'm gonna enter it. Okay, it's on me toy. That's my device Apple, and proceed. Okay, so I'm gonna click generate, and all these money and dice rolls are gonna generate it. Okay, it's loading. Okay, so don't panic, just verify your account by clicking verify, send, spin. And yeah, I think that's all. Now, as you can see, the app is downloaded, and as you can see, I'm getting another free dice rolls and money, and it's going up and up. Nothing complicated, as I told you, just some easy steps that you need to follow, and you're going to be able to get these free dice rolls and money on Monopoly Go app. This was the video. I hope it was useful to you, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.